And it's now time for a bite of the week. It comes from cancer survivor Cheryl O'Mealy. She was bemoaning the lack of resources in the public health system to treat cancer patients. Here's our bite of the week.
I did not know I could afford to do my treatment at the university hospital. So I asked for a referral to go to the Kingston Public Hospital where the treatment would be more affordable. And when I went to Kingston Public Hospital, I was given a 1-year appointment to come back with a stage 3B cancer. I had to beg, borrow, thief, bawl to get help from everybody to do my treatment.